Selling anything successfully involves understanding your product, knowing your audience, and effectively communicating the value of what you're offering. Here are some key steps to guide you. Understand your product or service. Know the features. Be clear about what your product or service does and what makes it unique. Highlight the benefits. Focus on how it solves a problem or improves the customer's life. Benefits often resonate more than features. Identify your target audience. Research demographics. Understand who is most likely to need or want your product. Consider factors like age, income, location, and interests. Understand needs and pain points. Know what challenges or desires your target audience has that your product or service addresses. Develop a value proposition, unique selling points, or USPs. Clearly define what sets your offering apart from the competition. Craft a compelling message. Create a message that communicates the unique value of your product in a way that resonates with your audience. Build rapport and trust. Be genuine. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust. Build a relationship by being honest and showing genuine interest in their needs. Listen actively. Pay attention to what your potential customers are saying. Their feedback can provide insights into how best to pitch your product. Use effective sales techniques. Ask open-ended questions. This helps uncover customer needs and allows you to tailor your pitch. Address objections. Be prepared to handle questions or concerns. Provide clear, reassuring answers that emphasize the benefits of your product. Create a sense of urgency. Encourage immediate action with limited-time offers, special discounts, or highlighting scarcity. Provide excellent customer service. Be responsive. Answer questions promptly and follow up as needed. Offer support. Provide post-sale support and be available for any issues or additional questions. Utilize various sales channels. Online presence is crucial. Use websites, social media, and email marketing to reach a broader audience. In-person sales can also be very effective. If applicable, leverage face-to-face interactions, trade shows, or events to showcase your product. Measure and refine your approach. Track sales metrics to monitor your sales performance and identify areas for improvement. Gather feedback from customers to refine your approach and address any issues. Stay adaptable. Adjust strategies based on what's working and what's not. Keep learning by staying updated on industry trends and continually improving your sales skills. Effective selling is often a blend of understanding your customer, presenting your product's value clearly, and building relationships based on trust.